think that you should lead by example and show people how to do things the right way. You know, just by doing it, not having to be told every time to do something. This place is pretty important to me, I'm not gonna lie.
Some things just stand out. That one's in there for good. It was in the afternoon. Jay and I are typically, we leave about the same time every day. He was way ahead of me. I was pretty much still back there, but I knew it was JR. He has a quick walk, bald head, it was JR. I watched him because he parks at the end of the parking lot and it was pouring down rain. So I had my umbrella, he had his, and there was a truck, I think it was facing toward us as he approached it. I saw him talk to the man, then I saw JR give him his umbrella, so the man was covered, and JR proceeded to open up his truck, get out his jumper cables, and work out of the man's car without an umbrella while the man kept the umbrella. And it was, you just remember that.
I didn't know she was watching, I really didn't.
It was just so natural for him to walk up to somebody and give them his umbrella in a downpour and continue to work uncovered. He never knew I was watching.
I just carry jumper cables. I mean, it's just the right thing to do.
What kind of person does that?
It's like this place becomes like your home. So it becomes your home away from home. So you gotta treat people like they're at your house. If someone was in front of my house and their car battery was dead, I would definitely help them. So help them out here too.
There's probably several JRs out here at Baptist Health, but I was honored to get to see that. It humbled me.